Good morning, students. Today we are going to start Unit 2, Section 1, Not a Spectator. This is a poem. I don't want to be mere I don't want to be a mere spectator. I want to enjoy each game. With the great boxers, I want to box and now wrestling to rocks. Spectator here means darshak. The poet is saying that he does not want to be a spectator only. He want to enjoy each and every game. With boxers, he want to box and he want to do wrestling also. I want to hit a ton and be a not just be a spectator. Cricket, hockey, kho-kho or kabaddi, tennis, badminton, basket or baseball. I rush out to play when my friends call. The poet is saying that he want to hit a century. Ton here means century, and not just be a uh, spectator. He want to play different games like cricket, hockey, kho-kho, kabaddi, tennis, badminton, and he always want to go outside when his friends wants to play with him. With each stroke, there is a thrill. I don't want to be a spectator alone. I want to hit the bull's eye, run, swim, and die from the sky. There is a thrill in every stroke he hit, and he just not. He just he want to hit the target. He want to run, swim, and dive from the sky. Dive here means jump, and he just don't want to be a spectator alone. I love the way my muscles flex, how the heart throbs and blood gushes. A spectator? No, not me. I want to play each day, each sport in my own interesting way. He loves his body uh, works when he plays, how his muscles has become flexible, how his heart is beating, and how the blood flows in his body when he plays. So he does not want to be a spectator alone. He want to play each and every day, and he want he has very much interest in playing sports. So this was